Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the TradersPerspective.com doing my weekend analysis. Before you have natural gas, and I'm looking at the daily time frame. So in my last analysis, I had identified this area here as needing to be held, and we have done a pretty good job of holding it and have a little bit of a wedge here. And my overall outlook for natural gas is that we're going to see a little bit of a potential test to the upside. If we can get above 3.07 or so, I'll zoom in so we get more specific prices. And kind of run up and test up to about 3.11. That's going to be a key level for natural gas. And you can see here this downtrend line has done a pretty good job of outlining where the selling pressure has been coming in. We have broken below the 200 period simple moving average on the daily time frame. Excuse me, we have tested it, and now my moving average is acting as the continued resistance line. So dropping down to the lower time frame, here's the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we've been basing along this little trend line that I've put in here. So we are fighting with the 50 period simple moving average on the upside, as well as another area of selling pressure that I've been able to kind of hone in on here. So, we are trying to build some kind of support around 3.03, and that's going to be, a level to watch. Obviously, if you can be a little bit more patient and kind of gain an entry somewhere around 3.006, around there, the low threes, then you'd be getting a pretty decent spot. You could set your stop loss, wherever you choose, somewhere down in here, or, depending upon how much you like to risk, maybe further down. But I personally wouldn't do that at this stage of the game. I'd rather be a little bit more patient here, let the price come to me near this trend line here, and then see if we can bounce up through this level here at around 3.071 and push a little bit higher to test this trend line here, which is kind of at a dual level of resistance right now at around 3.12. Around 3.12. So that's what I'll be looking for as far as natural gas is concerned. It's just been overall looking pretty weak. I'll show you why. Okay, looking at this weekly time frame, I set up the Fibonacci levels just to kind of give you an idea of what price has been doing since about since February when we bounced off this level here on this downtrend line here. Um, it is a bullish. Let me just go ahead and back out for a little bit. It is kind of bullish that we have held this. As far as the overall long-term trend is concerned. So you can see here that obviously it's a little cluttered down here, but we did have some selling pressure here, and the price was able to kind of break above here, test this level, and come back up. But the only problem is we're starting to reverse to the downside. So that's probably the major reason why I'm erring on the side of caution here. Let me just drop back to the weekly for one more moment. You can see here from previous videos I mentioned that we were fighting with this 200 period simple moving average, and we have broken below the 50 period now as well, and last week we closed underneath of this 50. So that's why I'm giving limited upside to natural gas at this point in time. So unless something dramatically changes, and as I mentioned previously, as that we could break above this level here at around 3.06 and further break above 3.07, we will have a good shot at testing 3.11, and that's the area that I'll be looking at heading into the middle of the week. I'm on Wall Street. This has been a presentation of natural gas. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Visit me at the website. Thank you so much for watching.